Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today, we are in Augusta, Georgia. Now, you may know Augusta for the famous golf tournament that's held here every year, but did you know that Augusta is one of the oldest cities in Georgia? Actually, it's just 3 years younger than the very oldest city, Savannah. Back in 1736, this city was founded. And did you know that it was actually the capital of Georgia twice? Now, if you're good enough to come here and play in that golf tournament, you might get yourself one of those green jackets, but I'm not good enough to play in that golf tournament. So what do when I come here? I find me the absolute best donut shop, and that's what we're gonna do today. So stick around. So today we're at Heroes Donuts, and we were really pleased to see that they had a wide variety of donuts, both savory and sweet stuff. Everything we had was really good. Now they have a nice friendly atmosphere. And they're owned by a husband and wife team, Jocelyn and Sao, and they opened Heroes Donuts to honor both our military and our first responders for putting their lives on the line for the freedom that we have here in America. And Miles is retired Army, and for that, I salute you. They've been here for about a year, and business is going great, and I can see why. We've been here this morning, and people have been coming in non-stop. They had a full case of donuts when we started, and it's just about empty. They're getting ready to fill it back up again, and I bet it will be empty in about another hour because this place is so popular.
This place is awesome. This place is awesome. This place is awesome. They're super great. I'm active duty military, and they're very supportive of the military community.
I salute you. So my wife and I got a variety of donuts to split, and this is one of the things that we got was the apple fritter. Now, as I take a bite into this apple fritter, the outside is crispy as it can be, the inside is ooey gooey, and this is my actual reaction. I said yes, and I have to have another bite of this apple fritter. This is the best apple fritter I have ever had, bar none. Now my other donut here has cereal on top of it, Cinnamon Toast Crunch on a donut. How can you go wrong?
My favorite is the red velvet donut and the jalapeno kolache.
Okay, I've had kolaches other places. They have a ham and cheese, jalapenos. Oh man, melts in your mouth. You've got to stop at Heroes Donuts. Do not drive by this place. Stop at Heroes Donuts. And let me remind you, if you're not a subscriber to our channel, hit that subscribe button. And also hit that notification bell because you never know when we're going to be in your area. All right, until next time.